topic under discussion today is about the significance of archaea. Archaea is one of the three domains. We were discussing in our previous lecture about the three domain system proposed by Carl Woese, in which the first domain was domain archaea, which are the ancient bacteria, and they are all prokaryotic type of cells. And they have some unique features because of which they are very significant. And that is why they have been given a separate status of a domain. Now let's discuss what are the significance of this domain. For the first is, first of all, there are sources of a number of enzymes. So they are source of a variety of a number of different enzymes, and these enzymes, they are so special because these organisms, the organisms belonging to domain archaea, they are capable of surviving harsh environments. That is, they can live in extreme acidic environment or an extreme saline environment or at extreme high temperatures. These prokaryotic cells can survive. So what is the objective behind this? That they can be source of such enzymes with good strengths, that these enzymes do not degrade in high saline environment or highly acidic environment or in high temperatures, is that we use these cells, the cells of domain archaea, and extract these enzymes from them. And then why are these enzymes important? Because they can survive high acidic, high saline environment and high temperature conditions. So these enzymes after extraction can be used in bioremediation. What is bioremediation? Bioremediation is the cleaning up of the environment using living organisms. For example, industrial waste, before it's dumped somewhere, it should be treated. It should be undergone some pre-treatment to decrease its toxicity or ultimately eliminate its toxicity. For that purpose, we can use the enzymes extracted from domain archaea, because the effluent that is coming from industries is highly, it could be highly saline or it could be highly acidic or it could have high temperatures. The industrial reactions are the waste is coming out of the industry could have high temperatures, so we can use these enzymes there. So it's a very big benefit you can take from the cells, from the organisms of domain archaea. Now, the second benefit is that they are methanogens. What do you mean by methanogens? Methanogens are those microbes, those archaeans, which metabolize sewage material or organic waste anaerobically, that is without the expenditure of oxygen, and then convert it into a biofuel, a biogas, which is methane. And methane can be used as a biofuel for burning purposes. And as you know, that the world is getting depleted in its supply of fossil fuels. So why not use this strategy of energy generation? Sewage is all the time present. Sewage is the waste material of houses, of industries. They are all continuously producing waste in various different terms. So these archaeans, they can act upon in this waste and then convert it into methane gas. And this methane gas can be used in households for cooking purposes, in industries as a fuel, and in various other. And it is not going to be depleted, as it can be regenerated again and again. So it is renewable type of source that we can create from this. So this is a group of archaeans which are methanogens. Then there is another group of archaeans which is very important. They are acidophiles. Acidophiles are the archaebacteria that can live in acidic environments. So they can survive high acidic environments. They can even survive below pH 3, which is a very high acidic condition. So these acidophiles, they are used in uh, ores to extract useful materials from, for example, cobalt, gold, and silver, which are very important. Instead of using very heavy machinery, consuming so much of the fuel and having so much expenses, we can use these archaeans, which can naturally, by using their metabolic machinery, they can extract useful metals, including gold, silver, cobalt, from their ores. So it is a very, very useful sort of an approach. This process is called biomining, and this process is called biomining. And you should be remembering all the necessary benefits of argan, as they can come in multiple choice questions, or it can come as a long question also. So let's give an overview. They are sources of multiple enzymes. And why are these enzymes important? Because these enzymes can survive highly acidic, high basic, high saline, and high temperature conditions. So these are enzymes, as you know, are protein in nature, so they won't get degraded in even if they get exposed to very harsh conditions. So these enzymes can be used in treating industrial effluent in bioremediation and multiple other reactions. Second is there is a group of alkanes that are methanogens, that is they can act upon organic waste and produce a biogas, which is methane, which is a biofuel, can be used in homes, industries as a fuel. Number third is they are acidophiles, that they can survive a very low pH, even below 3. So they are used in, and their metabolic machinery is capable of extracting important metals from their ore. So they can be used in biomining, that is extraction of important metals from their mineral ores. I hope it's clear.